First, byte data type. Byte. So the byte, it can store the 8 bit of information or 1 byte of information. 8 bits or 1 byte information of information we can store in the byte data type, and it is a signed 2's complement integer type. What type of information it can store means it can store 8 bit of information with signed 2's complement integer. That is signed 2's complement integer means what? It can store the negative values and both the positive values, both it can store, either signed values or unsigned values it can going to store. That is negative values as well as positive values it will going to store in the byte data type. What is the range of values of this byte type means range of values. Minimum value. So what is the minimum value it will going to store? That is minus 128 to, that is maximum value is plus 127. See, minus 128 means that is minus 2 to the power of 7, and plus means 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. This is the range of values. Minus 2 to the power of 7 to plus 2 to the power of 7. This we can represent like this: minus 128 to plus 127. This is the range of values of byte type. Byte, it can store the minimum values minus 128 and maximum value up to 127. So that you can represent in the exponent notation, that is minus 2 to the power of 7 is 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. So that is the range of values minus 2 to the power of 7 to plus 2 to the power of 7. This we can be write like this: minus 128 to 127. This is the range of values you can store in the byte data types. So the byte data types you are going to use to store the smallest values of integer type. So this byte data type is 4 times smaller than integer type. 4 times smaller than integer type. 4 times smaller than int type. And this what is the default values of byte data type? Default value is 0. So if suppose if you are not going to store any value in the particular byte data type, then it can store default is 0. Then for example, see, if you see the example of byte data type like this: byte a is equal to 10 minus 10, comma b is equal to 20. So like this you can store. Byte a is equal to minus 10, b is equal to 20. If you want to store the smallest numbers, smallest values of integer type, then you can use the byte data type. Understood? So byte data type, it can, what is the size of byte data type? 8 bits or 1 byte information it can store, and that is it can store the signed 2's complement integer type. That means it can store either negative values or positive values of numeric types. Then what is the minimum value and maximum value we are going to store in the byte type means minimum value is minus 128 and maximum value 127. That can be represented in the exponent notation like this: minus 2 to the power of 7 to 2 to the power of 7 minus 1, minus 2 to the power of 7 minus 1, that can be write like this. Then these byte data types are going to use to store the smallest integer types, and it can be 4 times smaller than integer type, int type, so that you can store only smallest values. And what is the default value of byte type is 0, and one example for byte type is like this. Okay, next, short type. Another one, short. See, the short data type, the size of short data type is 16 bits. 16 bits or 2 bytes. 16 bits or 2 bytes of information we are going to store in the short data types, and it is a 2's complement. 2's complement integer type. 2's complement integer types. It can also store 2's complement signed integer types. And what is the minimum value? Min value is minus 32,768, and the maximum value is plus 32,767. This can be represented in the exponent notation, 2 to the power of 15, 2 to minus 2 to the power of 15, this 2 to the power of 15 minus 1, 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. So, the range of values of short data type is what? Minus 2 to the power of 15 to 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. This is the range of values of short data type. Range of values. See, what is the range of values in the short data type? You can store minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Up to these values you can store in the short data type. And what is the default value of short data type? Default value is 0. So, suppose if you are not going to store any type of value, then it by default can take 0. Then example, if you take one example for short, and this short data type is 2 times smaller than integer type, 2 times smaller than int type. And example of short is short a is equal to minus 100 or 1000, p is equal to 2000, like this. This is the example. Understood? What is short? What is the size of short data type is 16 bits or 2 bytes, and is also used to store the signed 2's complement integer, and minimum value is minus 32,768, that can be represented in the exponent notation 2 to the power of 15. Maximum value is 32,767, that can be represented 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. So, the range of values of short data type is minus 2 to the power of 15 to plus 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. The default value short is 0, and it is 2 times smaller than integer types, and this is the example for short. A is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 2000. So, this is my negative value is a positive value. So, short is a data type, a is a variable and this is a value, you know. So, this is the short data types. Then third one, integer type, that means int type, integer. So, the integer size of integer type is 32 bits. 32 bits or 4 bytes. 52 bits are 4 bytes. So it can also store signed 2's complements, integer, signed 2's complement integer values. So what is the minimum value and maximum value? So min value is minus 2 to the power of 31, minus 2 to the power of 31, and maximum value is plus 2 to the power of 31 minus 1, 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So the range of values are minus 2 to the power of 31 to 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. This is the range of values of integer type. So in the integer type you can store like these values from 2. And what is the default value? Default value is 0. Default value of integer is also 0. Then one example for integer, int a is equal to some minus 10,000, b is equal to 20,000, like that. This is the integer type. Understood? Integer type, size of integer type is 32 bits or 4 bytes. It can also store both the positive and negative numeric types of values, and minimum value is minus 2 to the power of 31 and maximum value is 2 to the power 13 minus 1. These are the range of values you are going to, it is allows to store in the int type, and default value is 0, and this is the one example for using the int data type. Next, long. Suppose if you want to store the larger values of integer type, then you are going to choose the long data type. So a long data type, what is the size of long data type? Means 64 bits. 64 bits or 8 bytes. 8 bytes of information can store with the signed 2's complement. Signed 2's complement integer values. It can also store both positive and negative values of integer types. And what is the minimum value and maximum value? Min value is minus 2 to the power of 63, and maximum value is plus 2 to the power of 63 minus 1. So the range of values are minus 2 to the power of 63 to plus 2 to the power of 63 minus 1. This is the range of values of long. So we can store from and to. These are the values only it can allow to store in the long data type. So this we can see the how I can represent the exponent notation means, see the previous is 31, correct? No, 31 into 2, so 2 times it is larger. 31 into 2, 62, 62 plus 1, we have to add 1, that is 63, like that. So like that we have to make the exponent with the previous value. See, previous is into 2 to the power of 31, that 31 into 2, that is 64, that is 62 plus 1, that is 63, add plus 1, that is 63, like that you can remember. 2 to the power of minus 63 and one more 2 to the power of 63 minus 1, like that. So then the default value is 0. So L represent what? Long. Either you can use small capital L or small l. L for long. And example for long data type you can give like this: long A is equal to minus and B is equal to like that. So minus 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. So like that you can represent the long data. Long data type size is 64 bits or 8 bytes. It can store the signed 2's complement integer types, and minimum value is minus 2 to the power of 63 and maximum value is 2 to the power of 63 minus 1. So that you can be written like this. The range of value is from and to. This is the from value and this is the to value. Only in this range we can store the values in the long type, and default value is 0 L, and example for long data type is this. Next fifth one, float type. So the what is the size of float? That is 32 bit or 4 bytes. So it is a 32 bit or 4 bytes of single precision. Single precision float type. Floating point type. So it can store the 32 bit or 4 bytes of single precision floating point type values. And what is the range of values? What is the range of values? And what is the minimum value and maximum value it is going to store? That is here minus 3.4 E, minus 3.4 E 38. So this can be represented like this: minus 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38, 10 to the power of 38, and maximum value is plus 3.4 E 38. It is 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38 plus. So this is the range of values of float type here. So minimum value is minus 3.4 E for exponent E 38, and this can be represented, this exponent can be represented into the exponent of 10. E for exponent that can be represented in the exponent of 10, that is minus 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38, and maximum value is plus 3.4 E 38. Thus we can be write hand 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38. This is the range of values of float. Range of values of float, that is minus 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38 to plus 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38. Next, what is the default value of float? Default value 0.0 F, F for float. So what is the default value? 0.0 F. Suppose if you are not going to store any value, then it can store by default 0.0 F. F represent float. For example, to use float type, float A is equal to 3.2658 minus, and B is equal to plus 32.768. So like that you can represent the floating point type. Suppose if you want to store any values in the decimal type, that means decimal points, so then that means fractional point type, then you can use the float type. If you want to use any values in the fractional part or the decimal pointing type, then you can use the float type. So float data type is the 32-bit or 4 bytes of information it can store, and that is it is a single precision floating point type. So the minimum value it can store is minus 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38, and maximum value is plus 3.4 into 10 to the power of 38, and that is the range of values from 1 to. And default value is 0.0f, and this is one example for float. Next double. See, the double data type size is 64 bits or 8 bytes and it is a double precision, and it is a what? Double precision floating point type. So it is double precision, it is double than the float. Double is a double than the float, so that it is a double precision. So this is what 4 bytes, this is into 2, 8 bytes. And what is the minimum value and maximum value? So min value is minus 1.7 E 308. So this we can be represented in the exponent notation like this: minus 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308, and the maximum value minus 1.7 E 308. So plus 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308. See, E for exponent, this E can be represented in the exponent of 10. E can be represented in the exponent of 10. So minus 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308, and maximum value plus 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308. So 1.7 into 10 multiplied into the 308 times. If you multiply 308 times into 1.7, that is the maximum value of double. So this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. These are the range of values of double. Range of values minus 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308 to plus 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308. Understood? This is the double. Next, seventh one. Understood? Double is the size of double 64 bits or 8 bytes, and it is a double precision floating point type. And minimum value is minus 1.7 into 308, and maximum value is plus 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308. This is the range of values. And if you want to give an example, give example like this: double and default values. Default value is 0.0 D. D for what? Double. F for float and D for double. Suppose if you want to store the fractional values larger than the float, then we have to choose double. If you want to store the largest values of fraction values, then you have to choose the double. Then an example for double: so like that you can store the some largest values of double like this. So here the float it can allow maximum up to 7 decimal values after the decimal point. 7 digits after the decimal point it can allow here. After the decimal point it can allow maximum 7 digits. Approximately it can allow 7 digits, and here it can approximately after the decimal point it can allow the maximum digits is approximately 17 digits. 17 digits can allow approximately after the decimal point. Next data type is character. See the char data type. So if you want to store the values in the form of character type, that is in the single characters which will be enclosed in the single code, that is called character types. So character types size is 8 bits, 16 bits, 16 bits or 2 bytes. So it can store the 16 bits or 2 bytes of information character, and it is a Unicode character. It can store the Unicode character type. So what is the range of values? Minimum value and maximum value. So min value is, see the character data type generally it can going to store the min value is /u, so that is 0, minimum value is 0, and maximum value is, see maximum value it will going to store up to 65,535. So the range of values is 0 to 65,535. So this is the range of values of character. So character can be represented in the what? In the single quotes, and this is the minimum value for Unicode character, and the maximum value is this one, that is minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 65,535. Basically characters also will going to store in the form of numeric type, because characters are going to store in the form of ASCII value. ASCII values are numeric type. So that is the range of values from 0 to 65,535. And what is the default here? What is the example for character type? For example, if you give the character type example like this, ch character ch choice is equal to m, like that, single quotes, or choice is equal to 5. So here char is a data type, ch is a variable. So here m you are assigning to the ch, here 5 you are assigning the ch. So if you represent any values in the single quote, that is called what? Character type. So character type is contains 16 bits or 2 bytes, and it is a Unicode character type, and minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 65,535, and range of values is this 0 to 65,535, and example for character type is like this. Then last one is Boolean type. See, last one is Boolean. See, the Boolean type size is 1 bit. 1 bit of information. It can store 1 bit of information, that is either true or false. Either true or false values. That means here the Boolean data type it can store either true or false. True or false values, either true or false. 0 means what? False. 1 means true. So like that you can store the 1 bit of information in the Boolean type. So example for Boolean is Boolean flag. Boolean flag is equal to false. So the default is what? Default is false. Default value is false. Understood? So here flag is a variable name of type Boolean, and this flag values contains what? False. Suppose if you are not given any value to the Boolean type, by default you will take what? False. So understood? The Boolean data type, it will going to store the Boolean values, that is either true or false. True means 1, false means 0. So that you can store only 1 bit of information, that is the size of Boolean type. And Boolean by default it can store the false. Suppose if you are not assigned any value to the Boolean variable, then by default it will take the false. So this is the one example for Boolean type. So these are the 8 primitive data types in Java.